What's going on, Reshoevn8r Nation? Johnny Bubbles back with another Shoe Care Academy banger video. Today, I am gonna be cleaning these What the P rod that definitely went through monsoon season here in Arizona. I'm gonna be tackling the job with Reshoevn8r's Essential Kit. So without further ado, let's get bubbly. All right.
Boy, am I excited to clean these.
Boy, am I excited to clean these ones. That intro was for CK back there. I'm gonna put this shoe to the side. I'm only gonna clean the right shoe today. Now, first step is to grab our adjustable shoe trees and remove the laces. All right, as I remove the laces, let's talk a little bit about the shoe. It released back in May on the 22nd, which was my birthday. And it was a definite hit. When I seen the shoe pop up on all the sneaker websites, I was like, yo, this shoe is crazy. For those of you that know, Paul Rodriguez has been with Nike since he was like a teenager and has released about 10 signature shoes since then. I mean, we have like the Mexican blanket on here, the stash on the other ones, the PlayStations. Like the shoe came together really, really well and they killed it on this What the series for the P rod. But I would definitely like to know your guys' thoughts. Is this a shoe that is in your collection this year, or is it something that you guys are sleeping on? Personally, for me, I would definitely rock it. Now this one right here isn't my size, it's a size 10, so it's a little small, so I'm definitely not gonna keep it after this cleaning, but it is one that, you know, if I come across a steal in the future, I'll definitely pick it up. But let me know in the comment section below, is this a cop or is this a drop? Now that the laces are removed, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this aglet here, put the shoelaces inside of our bowl so they can soak during the cleaning process. Now the next step is to grab our bottle of solution and mix it with our water. Now that I have solution poured into our bowl of water, I am gonna begin the cleaning using our soft bristle brush. However, I do wanna point out that because there are different materials on here, I'm not sure if any of it's gonna bleed color, especially on like the Mexican blanket right here. I don't know if it's gonna bleed. Hopefully it doesn't. So I'm just gonna take it carefully, scrub it, and if I see any bleeding, I'll just pat it dry with our microfiber towel. But anyways, I have to clean the entire shoe, so that way you guys know if you can clean it or not. So let's get started with that soft bristle brush. So I did a quick wipe on the toe cap and I'm not experiencing any bleeding. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just continue cleaning the entire shoe. There you go, guys. I am done hitting up the entire uppers with the soft bristle brush. Thankfully, as I mentioned, no bleeding occurred, nor did I experience any water spots on the elephant cement print here. I guess, what do you call it? Cement print, elephant print? I think it's elephant print. No staining there, no staining on the wood panel here. I mean, it's not really wood, but you know what I mean. And of course, the inside diamond lining cleaned up really well. So now it's time to move on to the midsole and hit it up with the medium brush. Then we're gonna tackle these outsoles using the stiff bristle brush. Let's go ahead and do that now. All right, we get the shot. Is that the shot? We get the thumbnail? Awesome. All right, I am all done hitting up the entire outsole with the stiff bristle brush. Let's go ahead and do a full 360 of the entire shoe. It cleaned up really, really nice. Now the last step, guys, is to let the shoe dry, and I also have to clean the laces. However, the water is looking super disgusting. So I'm actually gonna take the laces with me, take it to the sink, rinse them under the water, and then we'll let those dry with the shoe. And I'll see you guys in a couple of hours. All right, we are back. I went ahead and let the shoes dry for a couple hours, and as you can see, they cleaned up beauty, as CK would say. I'm gonna go ahead and do a full 360 so you guys can check them out. Now, just to recap, I cleaned the entire uppers with the soft bristle brush, got it nice and bubbly, broke down all the dirt, hit up the midsole with the medium brush, and lastly, took care of the outsole with our stiff bristle brush. Then I went ahead and put it on our drying rack, let them dry for a couple hours, and then laced them up, and now we are good to go. Now, I did use Reshoevn8r's Essential Kit, which you can find at reshoevn8r.com, and you can use my promo code that is in the description below. If you like today's video, hit me with that like button, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.